Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another makeup video. It's been a while. I think I'm going to do something colorful to get back in the groove of doing makeup. So I'm going to use my Island Vibes palette, and I do have it right here with me. Let us see. This is the palette. It's very big with 38 colors, okay, to choose from. So I'm definitely gonna be using this palette to recreate my face. So guys, stay tuned.
So welcome back to my channel, guys, and the very first thing that I'll be doing is my eyebrows. As you can see, guys, God blessed me with a lot of things: a beautiful face, some beautiful kids, a beautiful husband. I mean, you know, my husband is cute. However, though, he didn't bless me with eyebrows. So what I do, I get my pencil and I draw my eyebrows in, and then I get my little brush and I comb it out. And if you didn't know, I'm using a brown anchor pencil, and you can find those pencils on my website, WatchCrissyWork. Now guys, I'm here and I'm doing the outline of my eyebrows. What I'm doing though, I'm using the concealer and my very own slice brush. One of the key thing about makeuping is you have to be precise. You have to have that precision. And that's what I'm doing right here with my concealer. And also I have to say this, guys. I have to make sure my eyebrows are perfect, because they cannot look like they're upset with each other. So as you can see, I spend the time on that part of it. Now, one thing I must say is this: practice makes perfect. You're gonna hear this a lot. Blend, blend. What I am doing now is blending. I'm gonna make sure that, listen, my eyes or my lid are smooth for what I am going to do to it, because you want it to come off as transparent as possible and smooth. You know, it's like a transition. You want that look. So I'm putting this base on, but you're gonna notice I'm still blending, and that is something you have to do. As I said earlier on, blend, 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 and blend. First, I have to give it up to Kushin, because he's the one who teaches me all my makeup skills and tricks. Yeah. Now we're going to be using the Island Vibes palette, and I'm going to show you the colors that I'm going to be using. And if you want to touch off this palette, you can find it in www.WatchCrissyWork.com. Let's get into it. So we're going to be using the two blue, a darker shade blue and a lighter shade blue. And you're seeing where I start at the end of my eyes. You know, that makes sense? Yes. And I go inside my crease. This is key, guys, and this is why I put the base on earlier, so when I get prepared and, you know, put my colors on my eyes, it's gonna pop and stand out. And I'm putting the darker shade blue just to give it a different contrast and come with a different style, a different look. Now right here you see me doing a cut crease. Guys, there's a trick to it. Apart from steady fingers and, you know, precision, you have to make sure that you're putting this cut crease line in the crease of your eyelid. That crease in your eyelid, that's the exact line you're gonna follow. You don't want to go above it, because when you open your eyes, it's not gonna look nice. You want to go below it I have seen where on a lot of my videos where I see comments, that's makeup video that is, some of you guys state that, oh, I can't do makeup, I love watching it, it's my first time. But I promise you, if you take that pencil up and that brush and that eyeshadow palette up and practice, you're gonna know something, you're gonna learn. As you can see now, guys, I'm applying more blue after I put a base over what I did first. I put another blue, and that is to get it deeper in my skin and more contrast, like I said. Now it is time for the popping color, which is yellow, guys. And I'm gonna start at the inside part of my eye. That's the part where we call the matter part of the eye, where if you do not know, then you better know. However, guys, I'm doing a colorful look, and this is not a normal or a typical look that I'll do on a day-to-day basis, but from time to time I'll come and I'll give you guys a little of a mixture. So now I'm gonna be doing the wing, and guys, this takes precision. You got to be precise again. You don't want to have them trembling fingers, them trembling hands, because then your wing gonna look like they want to take off, or however, as you can see, I apply the color black, and I'm making sure my wing is properly formed, and this gives the eye a little fierce look. It gives it a little look that you want to be taken seriously. Hey girl, watch CMR now. Oh, cause I'm in watch CrissyWork. Ooh, I know y'all just see that. Yeah, guys, I've learned over the years that doing makeup, I don't need to do both eyes. Once I do one, all I gotta do is just show y'all, because since it's a tutorial type of video, you'll see the second part just like I did. However, I'm starting on my face with my foundation, guys, and listen, not because we are the same color or tone means that we do use the same foundation. So the questions I've been getting in my DM, by the way, guys, go follow me on my business page, WatchCrissyWork, on Instagram. Not because we're the same tone means that we're gonna use the same foundation. You understand me? You could go to one of those makeup stores and ask them to test your the foundation on your skin, and you get a, ooh, that's me, I'm popping, look at me, duck mouth. Anyways, guys, yeah, go to a store and check out your shade, or the type of foundation you should be using. Remember, you got to blend when you put your foundation on, and you do not wipe. You tap into the skin, because if you wipe, it's not gonna be absorbent. Your skin won't absorb it. However, guys, I'm using the concealer right now under my eyes, and as the word suggests, conceal, you're gonna be concealing a lot of stuff. And also, you want to highlight, and it does make your makeup pop. And that's what you want. You don't want to just do your face looking all fine, and when the camera flash, there's no sparkles. This is key, the preparation of the nose, guys. And I'm telling you, we sometimes have a huge size nose. To get that Kim K nose, I contour. Looking at myself, I think I'm looking fly. Job looking so good so far. Now, guys, this is my spongy bungee. That's what I calls it. And make sure it's a little bit damped in water, and then you're gonna use it to blend. It's a blending brush, guys. It's also on my website, and from time to time you'll see me go back and forth with my blending sponge and my brush. And the brush is more precise. Like I said, I gotta contour my nose so my nose doesn't appear as big as it looks. Guys, the work that we have to go through just to get ourselves to the point where we want to. And guys, let me tell you this, for all the makeup lovers and the non-makeup lovers, you do not have to wear makeup, and you can wear if you want. But also bear this in mind: if you don't apply foundation and concealers, but you put lipstick on, or you do just your eyebrows, it's still considered makeup or making up. Period. Oh, y'all say it? Anyways, moving on. Still continue to blend. Now, guys, this is D. It's on the website, and it's from WatchCrissyWork. Whoa, I'm looking fly by the moment. Finally, guys, it's here. Look at me. Now, one of the best part of makeuping for me is contouring. And I said that early on, you gotta contour, you gotta put on blushes, and stay tuned for all of that. But right here is where you make sure the cheekbones pop, because sometimes when the camera hit or your favorite side of taking a picture, you want that side to be out there. Now we're gonna be using the blush palette. Yes, when CMR talk, you know who blush. Oh, so now guys, one of the things that I do also is slightly put on a smile on my face when I apply it, because it gives that look in real life when I should smile or talk or do all of that stuff. So I want to make sure I'm flying. Guys, what you think about the makeup in so far? Yeah. Now guys, remember I showed you the powder. Now see, I'm using it right here, and this is to set my makeup. Make sure my makeup doesn't have any cracks or crease or breaking point in any time. And sometimes you're gonna be in the sun. You never know what the sun wants to do with your makeup, so you gotta make sure you prepare for all of that. And I'm back to my brush again. So we're gonna always go back and forth as soon as I see something that I think I should fix or correct. One thing I must say, blending is always. Oh, let me say something, guys. Yeah. Ooh, I bet y'all don't know what I just heard. CMR said last night was the best. Me have to bust a laugh. I'm going to give you guys a quick Watch Chrissy work tip. The key to perfect makeup is proper blending. Yes, guys, there you have it. Anyways, this is the rose water, guys. One of the best seller on my website, and it is very good. I can sit and tell you all the good things rose water can do for your skin. But here I am. Now this is time for me to show you that WatchCrissyWork glow highlighter. It's a highlighter, guys, and that's one thing you got to do. If you're gonna do eyeshadows, it makes sense you put your highlighters on, and when you're gonna take pictures, you're gonna see the difference. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, I'm doing some finishing touch under my eyes, because I'm going for a very colorful look, and it pops. And as small as those under eyes look, I promise you that once the colors are on it, oh, that's a matter part of the eye. You have to get it, because it brings off that sunlight look. But yeah, guys, this is the look so far. I want you to comment down below and tell me what are your thoughts.
So Mr. Alem fresh tonight, a girl man I get take.
Wanna hear me in the background? So bear in mind, guys, I have simple makeup look that are on my channel. I'm gonna be doing some upgraded one, but before you're gonna see my eyelashes on those. And guys, all the products I use are on my website. They are my very own brand, and I'm just showing it off so you guys could go and get yours too. www.watchCrissyWork.com. I am showing you my lip gloss and my lipstick, and guys, I really don't like to put colors on my lip, especially if I put colored eyeshadows. I just want to make it a little bit simple. So the matte lipstick is on, and now I'm putting the lip gloss on it to give it that little moist look. So that's where I'm at in my makeup. Guys, tell me what you think. Now guys, this is me showing off the beauty and the work that I put in, and I told you guys, trust the process. You're gonna see every little detail, and to me it looks amazing. It's gorgeous. Anyways, guys, the voiceover is finished, and while you watch the lovely finished product my wife did, I just want to say, guys, please don't chastise me in the comment section, because I might miss a few things or said something wrong or however it goes. If you think I did a good job, just comment down below and say, hubby, yes, you did a good job. I'm grade you 10 out of 10, or do some more research, or whatever it is. We accept constructive criticism.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I just freelanced with the blue, a little touch of white, and yellow in the inside, and I'm wearing risky lashes, my lips, or what am I have on? I have on Decent and the anchor pencil, brown anchor pencil with the clear crystal lip gloss, anchor pencil on the eyes, and this is our new product. We haven't released it as yet. Make It Pop, the eyeshadow base. I'm using the shade All Out. My highlighter is Trendsetter, the contour blush palette, and the Island Vibes palette. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.